Holiday lights are beautiful until a section mysteriously goes out. But with the right tools and a helpful troubleshooting guide, you'll have all your lights shining bright in no time. Here's what you'll need. String lights can malfunction for a variety of reasons, from bad circuits or bulbs to blown fuses and broken wires. First, ensure the strand is properly plugged in. If it is, test the outlet by plugging in a strand you know works. Once you've determined that the outlet is malfunctioning, check if you've tripped the breaker. If you have, flip it to the on position to resolve the issue. If it's already in the on position, go back to the outlet and check it with a circuit tester to make sure power is flowing correctly. Next, if your outlet is in good working order, you'll want to check the fuses in each strand's cord compartment. If a fuse is blown, the filament will usually have a visible break in it, and the fuse should be replaced. Test a fuse by placing it in a functioning light strand or with a multifunctional light testing tool. If the issue isn't fuse related, check the strand for broken wires and sockets. If you spot wires poking through, remove the bulbs to keep as replacements, then discard the strand. If you've determined your light malfunction isn't a wiring issue, you could have a bulb that's not fully screwed into the socket. Scan the strand to detect loose bulbs, then tighten to see if that corrects the outage. Replace burnt-out bulbs as you encounter them. Even though they usually don't disrupt the flow of electricity through the strand, that's thanks to a backup filament inside each bulb called a shunt. However, if an entire strand is affected by a burnt-out bulb, the shunt is also likely non-functioning. Use the repair tool. Click it several times to attempt a repair of the shunt. It's also possible your strand may have experienced a cascading outage and needs replacement. You can prevent these types of disruptions by replacing burnt-out bulbs as soon as you notice them. If you haven't detected any burnt-out bulbs, but a section of light still isn't working, use the tester tool to check each bulb individually for unseen voltage issues. Then, if a problem is detected, attempt a repair with the tool. To keep all your holiday lights in good condition, never hang ornaments on the strand, and always turn off and unplug lights when going to bed or leaving the house. After the holiday, inspect them to ensure they're functioning properly before removing them from the tree. Coil each strand loosely to avoid tangles as you pack them away. With the right tools and proper storage, your holiday lights should stay in excellent condition for years to come. Good luck, and thanks for shopping at the Home Depot.